Welcome to javainterviewquestions.com, and let's see the one of the important interview question, importance of this in Java. First, this refers to the constructor of the same class. Here, whenever we want to refer another constructor in the same class, we use this method. Next point, within the same class, if we want to call one constructor from the other, we use this method. If you want to call the other constructor in the same class, we use this method. Based on the number of parameters passed, this appropriate constructor will be called. Based on the number of parameters we pass, appropriate constructor will be called. Next, restrictions for using this method. First, this method, if present, must be the first statement. We cannot write this in the second or as third statement. This should always be the first statement in the constructor. We cannot use two these methods in the same constructor. I repeat once again, we cannot use two these methods in the same constructor because JVM will be in an ambiguity to call which constructor, because both are almost first. So we cannot have more than one this method in the same constructor. Let's see an example how to use this method in Java. Here I am writing a class called this example, and I am writing a main method. First, I am writing one parameterized constructor, and I am printing system.out.println. I am in default constructor. Now I am writing one more constructor which takes a single parameter, and I am printing I am in parameterized constructor. In this constructor I am calling this. Since it does not have any arguments, it will be obviously calling the first constructor. Now I am instantiating this class. With one parameter. Okay, whenever I am instantiating this class with single parameter 10, the first statement in this constructor is this. So first it will print I am in default constructor, then it will be printing I am in parameterized constructor. So now I am running the program which will print I am in default constructor, I am in parameterized constructor. Thanks for watching this video, and for more videos contact or visit www.java-interview-